Hi guys, oh my god, breaking news and shocking news. Yesterday we heard ukuthi there were allegations that there is a top member in Umkhonto weSizwe who's been accused of sexual advancement towards someone. We didn't know who. Now I've got the leaked letter this morning and it seems like it's Dr. Hlophe, but let's read the letter. Oh my god. Kwenzekalani kwa-MK? Nenzani lapho? Yo. So this is the letter that is released. It says that, "Dear Mr. President Umkhonto weSizwe, I trust this letter finds you well. I write this letter to express my concern about the events that have been unfolding in our beloved party Umkhonto weSizwe, especially the events that relate to my being victimized through the various propaganda and false accusation placed upon my name. I'd like to put it on record that these accusations have been escalating since the Deputy President, CD John Hlophe, made sexual advances towards me that I did not appreciate. As a leader of Umkhonto weSizwe, I take the matters of ethics and morality very serious and with the mandate to serve and deliver to our people. As a woman, I'm being vilified and victimized since I refused to give in to his attempt of spending the night with him as favors on August 4 in 2024. He sent a text with an effect of 2254. On that day, after we had a leadership meeting in Nelspruit, my refusal and unresponsiveness was the diplomatic drive to manage the situation. I feel that the persistent vilification and continued propaganda against me is a consequence of a refusal to give to his advances. This is manufactured behind the scene by him. Yo. Isigaxa kuMkhonto weSizwe. Isigaxa. I did not expect it to be Dr. Hlophe Shem. I'm disappointed. I really did not expect it to be him. I thought it would be someone else that was being accused. I did not see him coming. What do you guys think? Oh, this is bad. Yo.